tax items. There already calls for more items to be included in that list. Now the report recommends that white bread, flour, cake flour, sanitary products, school uniforms and nappies, just among other goods, also be zero rated.
Sina Molaitsi works as a part-time domestic worker. Her 2 adult children are struggling to find employment. Her entire family, including her grandchild, depend on her income and the children's social grants. After VAT increased to 15% in the February budget, concerns were raised about the impact on the poor and low-income households. The recommendations are expected to provide some relief for Sina and her family.
It will help a lot because we do not have jobs. Food is expensive, petrol as well. Everything is expensive. My kids are not working. They are looking for work, but there are no jobs. Government could help by bringing down the prices of bread. They should look at paraffin as well. That would really help.
Action Aid South Africa, an NGO advocating for human rights and poverty alleviation, says more needs to be done to help the poor.
The focus on just these 18 items on the lives of people who are disadvantaged can be a bit skewed, because then it assumes that people are only living on these 18 items when we're actually aware that people are affected a lot more holistically. So, for example, tax on transport is one of the hugest costs that people, the working class people, what is really impacts the lives and the livelihoods.
The panel suggests other alternatives to mitigate the effects of the VAT increase. This includes strengthening feeding schemes at schools and increasing child support grants and old age pensions. It also recommends free provision of sanitary products to schoolgirls and poor women. The public has until end of this month to submit comments on the report. Gloria Sefakomusi, SABC News, Johannesburg.